Hello. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up to my... Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel with another video, which was due in the last video. You guessed it right. It's the unboxing of Ubeesize ring light. If you're a content creator, you know the importance of this light. It's all about the light. So let's just unbox this and see what's inside, and then I'll give you a complete review. So let's just open the box and see what we got. So you got a tripod, you got this little box, and the light. Excuse me. So this is the light and some instructions. Then we got this another box which has the phone mount control to turn on and off the camera. Free gift. And there is a warranty and a free gift. Ubeesize manual for this remote. And we got the AC charger. It's long enough, but I would need little more, but we can use extensions anyway. So this is pretty solid. Let me just put this back. Instruction manual. Okay, so it should be pretty straightforward. So you probably loosen this up. Yep. Make it a good stand. If you want to use it on a desk, you can use like this, but if you want to place it on a floor, you probably... So if you can see, guys, so this is the height it will go. So I am 5'11", so it's about good 5 feet. Let me see if I can see the actual height. Not mentioned here anyways. So this, there is an on and off switch, which is like a touch decrease. So you can dim this out a little bit. So you can dim this like this much. Okay, so let's do this. Let me switch off this light so that you can see the effect and brightness of Ubeesize light. Okay. All right. So now let me increase the brightness. So this is the maximum it will go. You can change the temperature, like white. This is like more orange. So I think there is 3 different colors. I personally like this one, so I'll keep it that way. So let's just do this. Let me put my camera inside this ring light and then record the next video in the ring light so that you can see the difference. So now there's only this ring light is on, and there's no other light, so you can see the brightness, and then you can judge from yourself like how the brightness looks. So this is the cool temperature. Let me just increase the temperature. There is 3 more. This is the second one. This is how the second temperature will look like, and there is another one here. So this is how it will look. I personally prefer this one, the white light. All right, so let's just talk about the light and all the features and my reviews. So as far as the light is concerned, this is 10-inch light, so it's like not much of a light, but if you are like looking for like a handy dandy, you can go, you know, here and there with the light, and then you don't want to like carry the big setup. This is just like a pretty nice compact light, so I'll give it 4 out of 5 stars. About the features, there's 3 temperature mode, and if I have to like give the stars for the features, I'll give it like 3.5 stars out of 5. The only problem which I find which can be improved with this light is like to change the temperature. You just have to like get up and then change the temperature. You know, you have to click a button to change the light temperature, exposure temperature. So if there is this can be included in a remote, so that we can, you know, change the light temperature like from a distance, will be nice. But overall the quality of the light is pretty nice, and I think Ubeesize light I'll recommend, and then I'll give overall 4 out of 5 stars. That's all for today's video. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, keep supporting the channel.